Hello everyone, this is Imran Pardesi sir, and today I will be starting the new chapter of Standard 8 Maths, chapter number 8, quadrilaterals, construction and types. Okay, so my dear students, please look at the board. Construction is very much interesting. You will love to construct. Please look at the board. See here, the chapter name is quadrilaterals, construction and types. So here I will explain what is quadrilateral first. Okay, every quadrilateral has 4 angles, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. So there are total 10 elements of each quadrilaterals. So what is quadrilateral in short? Example: square, rectangle, rhombus, okay, and parallelogram, and kite. Yes, so these everything are quadrilateral. So what is quadrilateral in short? A closed figure who's having 4 angles, 4 sides and 2 diagonals. Total 10 elements will be there. And to draw any quadrilateral, minimum we want 5 elements out of these 10 elements. Okay, if you have 5 measurements of 5 elements, then you can draw any quadrilateral easily. So just look at the board. The example I will take practice set 8.1 only. Look at the board. See, practice set 8.1 question: construct the following quadrilaterals of given measures. Okay, so see the question number 1. In quadrilateral, we read it quadrilateral. In quadrilateral MORE, length of MO 5.8 centimeter, length of OR 4.4 centimeter, major angle M is equals to 58 degree, major angle O is equals to 105 degree, major angle R is equals to 90 degree. So my dear students, see 3 angles are given. Okay, either you can take MO as a base or you can take OR also base. As we have drawn the construction in 7th standard, if you want to draw triangle, so you will take the base. That base you will take whose angles are given to you, right? So here see 3 angles, measurement of 3 angles given: major angle M, major angle O, major angle R. So if you want to take, you can take MO also as a base, because major angle M is 58, major angle O is 105. You can take OR also base, because angle O is given 105 and R is given 90 degree. So you can take these two as a base or these two as a base, no problem. But I will tell you one idea or trick. Always if you start MORE quadrilateral, start from here MORE. It will be easy. See, first I will draw the rough figure of this question. So I will consider OR as the base, because I will start writing the name of this quadrilateral from here MORE. See here. So I will take OR as the base. So OR I will take base. See here. Rough figure. I will take OR. This is O and this is R. OR is of how much centimeter? OR 4.4 centimeter. Now see, O is, major angle O is 105. It means it will come little here, right? It will come like this. A major angle O will be 105 degree, right? Now R is of how much degree? It's 90, means straight. It will come straight, right? It is rough figure, okay? This is 90 degree, right? Now OM, so I will write M here. M will come here, because I have said start writing MORE. Keep the firm writing. Keep the name of the quadrilateral firm, okay? I will write first digit here, second here, third here and fourth here, okay? So here M will come. So OM is how much, or MO? 5.8. So I will take 5.8 in compass. I will take R over here. I will give the name O. It is of how much centimeter? 5.8 centimeter. This is rough figure, okay? Now I got OM 5.8. So on M, major angle M is 58 degree, okay? So I will use protractor. I will use protractor like this. I will keep on M, okay? I will keep on M and I will use, how much degree you want on M? 58. So you will go 58, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 8. Okay, so like this you will join, okay, this M O R and this will be E. Is it clear? So this is how M is of how much degree? 58 degree. So this is how we have to construct a quadrilateral. So always start the first digit here, M O R E. It will be very easy. So O R you will take as a base. O is 105, R is 90 degree. O M you will take 5.8 centimeter. M point will come, you will keep the protractor over here and you will count from interior. Right hand side if you go, you have to read the interior numbers, right? 58, 50 plus 8. Then this point will come. Is it clear? Now we will construct here fair diagram. So first OR you will take as a base. So OR is of 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so you take the base 4.4 centimeter. Okay, so I will take this O and this is R, 4.4 centimeter. Okay, now please, now what you will take now? Major angle O is 105. Major angle O is 105. I will keep this protractor over here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 5. 105. Okay, we will go like this. And R is of 90 degree. R is of 90 degree. It is here. Okay. So now we will join them. First you will take base OR. Then you will take major angle O, that is of 105. This is of 105 degree. Then major angle R you will take as a 90 degree. This is of 90 degree. Okay. Now you will take OM. OM is of how much centimeter? 5.8. So you will take compass. Okay. You will use here compass 5.8. Okay, I will take 5.8 from O. From O, I will take 5.8 arc. Okay, this arc will be M. This arc will be M, and this is of 5.8 centimeter. Is it clear? Now, major angle M is given, that is 58 degree. Major angle M is 58 degree. So you will keep this compass over here. Okay, straight. See, the line should be very straight, very much straight. Okay, and then count interior. Interior number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 50 and 8. 50 and 8. That is 58. Okay, then we will join it. See, this point and this point you will join. See, from M you will take 58 degree. Okay, so this is M is of 58 degree and this will be as E. M O R E. It is a quadrilateral. Is it clear? O R you will take base. O 1.5, 105 degree, R 90 degree, O M 5.8. From M you will take 58 degree. That is your first question. I hope you understood. So dear students, now we will see the second construction. Please look at the board. Construct quadrilateral DEFG such that length DE is equals to 4.5 centimeter, length EF is equals to 6.5 centimeter, length DG is equals to 5.5 centimeter, and length DF is equals to 7.2 centimeter, length EG is equals to 7.8 centimeter. As I have said, I will start. This is a rough figure. As I have said, I will start DEFG from here. DEFG. Always I will start from here. DEFG. It means EF will be your base. EF will be your base. Now see this construction. EF is 6.5, ED is 4.5. Okay, then DF is 7.2. This triangle will be there. Then from DG is 5.5 and EG is 7.8. It means this side is not given. No problem. We will solve by this given rough figure. First we will take EF as a base. EF as a base 6.5 centimeter. Okay. Now we will take ED. Okay. We will take ED 4.5 in compass. Okay. We will use compass here. Pay attention. EF 6.5 centimeter. Then I will use 4.5 ED. Okay, so E I will keep here on E and it will be of 4.5. Okay, 4.5 D. But now I will join DF 7.2 from F. First I will take EF 6.5, ED will come over here. So D we will give when DF will come 7.2. So DF is 7.2. Okay, I will take here 7.2 centimeter. Then I will arc it. Please pay attention. I will keep on F and I will arc this. I will cut this arc. You will get there in intersection point over there. Is it clear? C. So this will be D. Okay, this point will be considered as a D. See, this point will be considered as a D. I will join this E and I will join this to F. Is it clear? So DE will be of 4.5 centimeters. See, I will join this point over here. Okay. So DE will be 4.5 centimeter. First EF, then DE 4.5. Then I will join this DF, which is 7.2. I have taken from here F. From F I have taken 7.2. Okay. This is 7.2 centimeter. Okay. First I will draw this. Second I will draw this. And third I will draw this. Okay. Third I will draw this. Then what I will take? I will take DG 5.5. DG 5.5 from D. Okay. DG 5.5. Okay, I will take DG 5.5 from D. I will take 5.5 here. Okay, 5.5 here. Then I will take EG, E to G, that is 7.8. 7.8. Okay, I will keep on E and I will take 7.8 in the compass and I will arc this. Okay, I got the intersection point over there. Yes. So this is how you have to construct the figure. See, first I will take EF 6.5, then I will take ED 4.5, then I will take FD 7.2. I will join the figure. Triangle will be there. Then I will draw from D to G, DG 5.5. Is 5.5 centimeter and then I have taken EG. This point will be considered as a G. So EG I will take 7.8 centimeter. Okay, then I will join these two arcs. Okay, then this EGF also I will join over here automatically. Is it clear? So simple. I hope you understood how to draw. First I will draw EF, then I will draw ED, then I will draw DF, fourth one I will draw DG, then fifth one I will draw EG, that is 7.8 centimeter. Is it clear? 7.8 centimeter. Then you will join the figure. So this is how EF will be your base, and you will construct the rest of the things like this. First, second, third, then fourth, then fifth, then you will join it. Is it clear? So my dear students, please pay attention towards the question number 3. In quadrilateral ABCD, length AB is 6.4 centimeter, length BC is equals to 4.8 centimeter, major angle A is equals to 70 degree, major angle B is equals to 50 degree, major angle C is equals to 140 degree. This question is exactly like question number 1. Okay, so see, as I have said, I will start the name from here. A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C, D. So BC will be my base. Okay, BC I will take as a base. So BC is of how much degree, how much centimeter? 4.8. B, major angle B is 50 degree. Major angle C is 140 degree. Okay, if you want to take major angle AB as a base, then also you can take, because these two angles are given. You can take these two angles also. But I have said, be firm, decide something, you will go from A, B, C, D. Okay, A will come up, B, C, D. Okay, so I will write A, B, C, D. BC 4.8 centimeter, B 50 degree, C 140 degree. Then AB is given 6.4. I will keep compass on B, I will arc 6.4. Then I will use their compass. Okay, I will use their protractor for 70 degree. I will keep this protractor like this on A, and I will check for 70 degree. I will tick mark and I will join this figure. So simple. So first what you will do? First you will take base BC. BC will be base 4.8. See, I have taken already. BC is 4.8 centimeter. Now B is how much degree? For 50 degree. So you will take protractor. You will keep here on this B. Okay. And I will see interior numbers over there. 50 degree I will take. This is 50 degree. Okay. And C is how much degree? 140. So C I will keep like this on C from here, from left side. C I will keep like this, and I will go the exterior number. That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 here. Okay, 140. So we will go like this. Is it clear? Now see, I will join this points. B is 50 degree from here. This B is of 50 degree, and C is how much degree? 140. Okay, it is 140 degree. This is 140 degree. Okay, students, first we will draw BC 4.8, then we will take B 50 degree and C 140 degree. Now we will take AB, that is 6.4 centimeter. Here you will use compass. Okay, and you will take 6.4 centimeter in your compass. You will keep on B, vertex B here, and then you will make it arc. Okay, so this is less. I will increase the line, no problem. I will increase the line over there. See, B, this AB line, it will increase. So this is A point, and this is 6.4 centimeter. Okay, so first, second, third, this fourth, then major angle A is 70 degree. So here you will use protractor over there. You will keep this protractor on B like this. You will keep this protractor like this on A. Okay, and then you will go from here. Okay, it is going from right to left. So you will go from here and you want 70 degree, right? Yes. So now I will join this A point and this degree point together. So this is your point D. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral and major angle A is of 70 degree. So this is how you have to construct. BC will be your base, B will be 50 degree, C will be 140 degree. AB you will take in compass 6.4. Then on A, major angle A is 70 degree, you will keep protractor, you will take 70 degree. So this is how you have to construct the question number 3. Very simple. So dear students, now please see the question number 4. Construct quadrilateral LMNO such that length LM is equals to length LO. LM is equals to LO. See here, LM is equals to LO, 66 centimeter. Then length ON and length NM, 4.5. 4.5. Length OM is equals to 7.5 centimeter. It means this is, can you see these two sides are similar, isosceles triangle, there are two triangles. Can you see, one triangle is this, one triangle is this, there are two triangles. Okay, so whenever you will see a figure like this, okay, whenever you will see a figure like this, who's having four sides, it is a quadrilateral and who's having one diagonal. Okay, a quadrilateral who's having one diagonal. So what you will do, I will give you one idea. It is very much simple, my dear students. First you will draw the diagonal. First you should draw a diagonal. Okay, a straight also, no problem. First you will draw diagonal MO. Okay, first you will draw a diagonal. When a quadrilateral is given, measurement of quadrilateral is given and one diagonal is given, measurement of one diagonal is given. That time what you will do, you will draw first this diagonal MO. See, MO is of how much centimeter? 7.5. So I will take MO. Look at here. It is very much simple. Okay, MO 7.5. So this is M and this is O. That is how much? 7.5 centimeter. Okay, clear? Now ML is how much? 6. ML is how much? 6 centimeter. ML. So I will take ML 6 centimeter. ML. I will keep on M. I will take 6 centimeter. I will arc. I will arc here. Okay. Then OL is also 6 centimeter. ML 6 centimeter. OL is also 6 centimeter. So I will keep on O. Look at here. I will keep on O. And I will arc. It is that much only or it will lose. Okay. It is 6 centimeter, right? It is 6 centimeter. The same distance you will keep on O. Okay. And you will make it arc from O. You will make the arc from O. You will make the arc from O. Then again you will increase. See here, I will keep on M. I will increase that arc. So this is this is L, LM and LO. It is of 6 centimeter. Is it clear? I will join it. Look at here. I will join it with the help of the scale. See. Then I will join this also. Six centimeter. Done. One triangle done. Now we will draw this triangle. M to N is 4.5. So M to N you will take 4.5. From here also you will take 4.5. It will cut. Is it clear? Now see 4.5 I will take in the compass. 4.5. Okay, so I will keep on M. 4.5 I will make arc. The same distance I will keep here on O. and I will make an arc. Okay, so this is how I will construct a quadrilateral when one diagonal is given. Now I will join it. See, this is the point N. So see MN, I will join this M to N. And then I will join here O to N. I hope you understood how I have drawn. See, this is 4.5 centimeter. This is also 4.5 centimeter. How I have drawn? See what I have done? We have to construct a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral measurement is given and one diagonal measurement is given. So I will draw first this diagonal MO. I will draw MO. Okay, I will draw MO first. Then I will draw the upper triangle. 6, 6. So I will keep on M, I will take 6 centimeter, I will keep same on O, 6 centimeter, I will draw one triangle, upper triangle. Then I will take 4.5 from M, 4.5 from O also 4.5, I will join this. Very simple. Is it clear? This is how I will draw a construct when quadrilateral measurement and one diagonal measurement is given. I hope you understood. Best of luck. Thank you so much.